Alright, so my camera died in that last moment. I didn't notice it until like after I built the whole thing, as you can see. Here's my M4. Yeah, there's my M4. I got it working a couple days ago, but yeah, here's. So my M4's name is Lucy. That's what I call her. And my sniper's name is going to be Miku, as in Hatsune Miku. If you guys don't know who that is, go check her out. She's pretty cool. She's like a singer, animated singer. Here's the BBs it comes with: Swiss Pro Grade, Swiss Arms Pro Grade, .30 gram BBs, 2,000 count. This little bottle is pretty heavy. This bag of BBs, I checked the BBs inside. I think they're like .25 gram BBs, but I see some that have seams on it. So, trash. I'll just keep that in here. Came with a speed loader. That one doesn't want to get out. Oh well. But yeah. Let's see if you can see the scope. It's gonna be weird. Hold on. Let's see if you can see it through there. Somewhere. Kind of see it. This thing is so heavy. This thing weighs like 2 or 3 more pounds than my M4. I attached the sling that the sniper came with to my M4, and I'm just going to be carrying my sniper on this little handy dandy latch I have attached to me on my chest rig. So you can tell. Yeah. Alright. So it's gonna be hanging on the ground like that. It doesn't touch the ground, so that's a good thing. Here's the magazine. Feeds pretty good. I put a couple rounds through it. Yeah. That's the magazine well. You can kind of see the piston or the air nozzle right there. Not really. To pull back this bolt, it's a decent amount that you have to pull back on it. Let's see if I can do it. Well, you pretty much lift the lever up and then pull back. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Well. Oh well. This thing not pulled all the way. I have no idea what's happening to the bolt. I'll fix that later. But yeah, while the video ended, I attached this to the rail. It looked kind of cool. It's like a extended barrel M4. It was pretty cool. It looked pretty cool too. But yeah, that's my Mauser named Miku, Hatsune Miku. Yeah.